Changing your phone number on Acumatica is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the Acumatica link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate the user icon or your name in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit contact information. In your profile settings, find the section labeled Contact Information or similar. Click on the Edit button to modify your details. Step 4. Update phone number. Locate the field for your phone number and enter your new number. Ensure that the format is correct and matches any required specifications. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been updated. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on Acumatica. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your system administrator for assistance.